bed and breakfast, typically shortened to B&B, is a small lodging establishment that offers overnight accommodation and breakfast. Bed and breakfasts are often private family homes and typically have between 4 and 11 rooms, with 6 being the average. Bed and breakfast is also used to describe the level of catering included in a hotel's room prices, as opposed to room-only, half-board or full-board. Generally, guests are accommodated in private bedrooms with private bathrooms, or in a suite of rooms including an en-suite bathroom. Some homes have private bedrooms with a bathroom which is shared with other guests. Breakfast is served in the bedroom, a dining room, or the host's kitchen. B&Bs and guest houses may be operated as either a secondary source of income or a primary occupation. Often the owners themselves prepare the breakfast and clean the rooms, but some bed and breakfasts hire staff for cleaning or cooking. Properties with hired professional management are uncommon, unlike inns or hotels, but may exist if the same owner operates multiple B&Bs. Some B&Bs operate in a niche market. Floating bed and breakfasts are boats or houseboats which offer B&B accommodation. The CCGS Alexander Henry Museum ship was one example. In some communities, former lighthouse keeper quarters have been turned into B&B rooms after the light has been automated or decommissioned.